Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Abiodun James. This is dual aluminum casement window with burglary. As you can see, the window design tool has been done. Very nice design. You can see with the grey reflective 5 mm glass tinted. You can see very nice design. You can contact us for your project. You can contact us on 08063098718. Let me go around to show you this measurement. The measurement is 3 feet by 1400. That's the size for the living room area. Go around now to show you the beautiful work we have here. Very nice design. Very nice design. Very nice design. You can contact us for your project. You can contact us on 08063098718. It's a very nice design for your building. Very nice design for your building. You can contact us for your project. You can contact us for your project. See, this is gray reflective. Gray reflective. You can see 5 mm thickness. 5 mm thickness. You can see it's very cool. It's very cool. It's very cool. This will good on your project. You can demand for it. It's affordable. It's affordable. This is the back view. This is the back view. You can see with window making. With window making, as you can see, dual aluminum casement window with window making. As you can see, very lovely, very lovely, very lovely design. Very lovely design. Thanks for watching.